Hey people,
Hey people. Hey people.
today we're going to do some of this. I forgot what it's called, but it's something scientific. It's also about planes, and this is also about helicopters. You have to make this shape. If you want to make it, you have to make this shape. But it has to be pretty small, like this shape. And you'll also have to have a paper clip down here. If you want to attach a logo or do a video about it, okay. Then attach a logo. And here's how it works. Here, up here. You have to make it like this first, so it has a perfect takeoff, and then fire.
And
Sebentar. First of all, you have to do like that. Then you have to have a roller blade. See, it moves around and around like a roller blade. Actually, not a roller blade. The thing that moves around in helicopters on. This is my Minecraft magazine. I like it so much, but I use but I only use some care about it. And now the video is finished. Goodbye. Woo!